Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can purchase a gift card for your friends on Etsy, or how to actually print a gift card for your friends on Etsy, or how to send it through email. It's a very easy process. Make sure to follow along till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to etsy.com and sign in to your official account. You can also use your mobile application for this. Now there are two methods to buying gift cards. Now the first one is go to the top right corner where your account appears, head down to the gift card balance, and from there you can send a gift card right here. You can also go into this tab right here and open it up, and it will take you to the same page. Now from there choose a gift amount, let's say 20 euros, or use a custom amount. You can also change the currency. Let's say I want to use British pounds, for example, right here. Here I can choose a delivery method. If I want to hand it out personally, choose the email to you, because then you get a printable PDF and you can actually print the card where you can choose the design form. Now from here you can actually send it to a recipient's name, so to the person who you are giving it to, and get a little gift message, which is optional. Here you can also send from who, so your own name. Now from there you can buy it now or add it to cart. Now if you buy it now and choose the email to recipient, you can also enter the email and they will actually receive it from you. Now make sure that the email is correct so you don't send it to someone else. Now how to actually redeem this gift card? It's very easy. All your friend or the person who gets this has to do is go into their Etsy profile, go to the top right corner where your account appears, simply head down to the gift card balance, open it up, and here you can redeem your gift cards, as you can see right here. Simply press redeem and the gifted balance will be directed to the current balance right here, and they can buy anything on Etsy for that price. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.